realm of the divine, the angels stand as powerful messengers and heralds of the divine will. Among their many responsibilities, a significant one involves the sounding of trumpets, each note reverberating with profound significance. According to biblical texts in the book of Revelation, 7 angels are entrusted with these trumpets, marking the advent of judgment and change. With each trumpet blast, a sequence of prophetic events unfolds, heralding plagues, changes to the land and sea, and shifts in celestial bodies. It's said these trumpets serve as both a warning and a call to awareness for humanity. As the final trumpet echoes, it signals the ultimate transformation and the beginning of a new eternity. These celestial trumpets remind us of the cosmic balance between chaos and divine order,